Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I would like to present our mini project, which is mini password box. First of all, I will present about function of each electronic component. The first one, the Arduino Uno R3. The function of Arduino Uno R3 is act as a microcontroller board which used to create attractive object that can take input from switch and sensors to control physical outputs like lights, motor, or actuators. The next one is mini breadboard. The function of mini breadboard is to minimize the number of wires used in a circuit and to make the circuit visually tidy. Next one is diode. Function of diode is allow current flow in one way only and convert the alternating current AC to direct current, which is DC current. So the last feature in this slide is light bulb. The function of light bulb is it will light up when the current flow through it. In this password box, it will light up when the input password is correct. Next, 4x4 keypad. Function of this component is to input the character or number by pushing the button on the keypad. Next one is micro servo. Function of micro servo is it will rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees. In our project, it is used as a simple lock of door. The next one is 16x2 LCD. This LCD is to display the user input from the keypad so that the user can read what character or number he or she has input. The next component is NPN transistor. Function of NPN transistor is for amplifying, controlling, or generating an electrical signal. It also can pass electrons from the emitter to the collector. The next component is power supply. Power supply is to supply electrical power for the circuit so that circuit can function. Next one is relay SPDT. Function of relay SPDT is act as a control panel like an on-off switch. And the resistor its function is to limit and regulate the electrical current flow in a circuit. The limit electrical current can be determined by the color on the resistor. So last one is wire. Function of this wire is to connect all the electronic components to form a circuit. So the next presentation, which is I will explain about the step of creating this our mini project circuit. So let's go. So the first step is we have to connect the keypad to the Arduino by using the wire. The raw part of the keypad is connected to the digital holes of the Arduino, while the column part of the keypad is connected to the analog holes of the Arduino. So the next step, step 2, we only have to add LCD into the circuit. Next step, step 3, we have to add power supply, relay SPDT, diode, and NPN transistor to the circuit. Power supply and diode is connected to the relay SPDT. The collector of the transistor is connected to diode, and the base and emitter is connected to the Arduino. Last but not least, the two resistor is connected between the transistor and Arduino. For step 4, we just add a red light bulb that connect the negative of the power supply to the relay SPDT. So next one, step 5, we have to add a micro servo into the circuit as a simple door lock of this password board. And last step, for step 6, we have to add mini breadboard to place all the small components, electric components, to make it more tidy. The electric components such as transistor, resistor, and light bulb. So next I will present about the 3D model of our mini project, mini password box. So this front view of our password box, which is we can see at here at the top of the front page. The front view is we have LCD, this the light red light bulb, and keypad, and also the door handle to make a user easy to open this box. So basically the user will input the password and he can see the input here uh, on the LCD. The input will show at here, so the user can look at the LCD to confirm his password. And when the password is correct, the red light bulb will light up, so he can open this password box. The next one, which is the inside and side view of the password box, we can see inside the password box we have divided by two parts, which is the bottom and the top. The bottom and the top. The user can use the space wisely. So we can see at here we have a micro server at this part as a lock door. So when the password is correct, the micro server will rotate and the password can open. So the Arduino will we have placed on the top because it is easier for the user to fix it if something happens to the Arduino, maybe the setting, the user can open easily without disturb the structure of the box. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.